Hi there and welcome to a special spectacular edition of Mini Makerspace. Today we are going to be making DIY ghost decorations. The materials you need for this craft are pretty simple. You're going to need some pieces of cheesecloth cut into strips or squares, some pipe cleaner if you'd like to build arms into your ghost, something to hold the ball onto. The ball can be plastic, styrofoam, anything that's spherical in shape. I'm using a plastic water bottle to make the body of my ghost. You're gonna need scissors and tape, some black paper or felt, and some speed starch spray. Let's get started. To start, you're gonna wanna secure your ball on top of whatever you're using. I'm gonna just tape it loosely with a couple pieces of tape just so it doesn't fall off. This is going to build the body for your ghost. So you can put as much or as little detail as you'd like into this part. Once you have that ball secure, you can take one of your pipe cleaners, wrap it around. This is why I chose the water bottle. I find the water bottle makes this part a little easier. And I'm just gonna put him up so my ghost's arms will be sticking up a little bit. Second arm, slightly different shape. And we are ready to start layering our cheesecloth. So to start, you're gonna shake your spray and take one piece of your cheesecloth. You're gonna hold it up. And you're just gonna spray it generously with your instant starch, both sides, just so this way it gets the best possible hold. Once you have that coated on both sides, you're gonna gently drape it over the body of your ghost, spreading it out, making sure to leave some at the bottom for pooling, because that's gonna create your base that helps your ghost stand. Once it's on there, give it another spray all the way around on your starch. And we're gonna just repeat that process with all the layers of cheesecloth. Once you have it layered and shaped how you like, you're gonna let that sit for about an hour to dry and fully set. As you're waiting for that to dry, you can use the felt or the paper to cut out little eyes and a mouth that you will either glue or tape on after. So let's just give this a minute to dry. So there you are. When it's all done, it'll be able to stand up on its own. You might need to give it a few hours instead of just the one and a few extra coats. I know I did. But when it's done, you can attach the eyes and mouth to it, and you have an awesome little ghost Halloween decoration. Thanks for coming to Mini Makerspace. Happy Halloween!